It was St. David's Day when we docked in Tiger Bay, and the skipper wouldn't give us any pay. 3 years, 1 month at sea had effect upon we three. Michael Santos, Pepsi, and a guy came, Maddie McKee. All ashore, lash the ship, lower the anchor chain. All the skipper overboard and all in back again. Tie the mate to the mast, lower the old gangway. Scuttle the ship, sink the ship, and let's get to Tiger Bay. Tiger Bay, Tiger Bay. It's not very far from the docks. When you get to Loudon Square, turn to the right and you're not far from there. Tiger Bay, Tiger Bay. It's just like a fancy dress ball, and those that can't say that they've been down the bay, well, they haven't seen Cardiff at all.
The workaday ships still come and go to the landlocked docks at the end of Bute Street. But there are acres of silence now, where once Welsh coal roared its way into the holds of 1,000 steamers.